You special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it.
Hello, my babies. Welcome back. I can't even. Hey, what's up, besties? Welcome back to another video. If this is your very first time seeing me, hi, hello, I'm Elaine Michelle, and I am your new best friend. I hope that you guys will click the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. Because I want to make sure that you know we are best friends. Like what we do over here, we do it together, whether that be planning, budgeting, organization, DIY, whatever you can think of, we are literally doing it together. So I want to do life with you. Do you want to do life with me? I mean, like friend life, you know what I'm saying? Like we're doing it together. We are learning how to build each other up together. So I'm always open for suggestions in the comments section. Like always open for just being open, like, because we're doing it together. Today we're going to be doing our paycheck to paycheck budget. And yet again, I like to make sure that I mention when we say paycheck to paycheck, that does not mean we are living paycheck to paycheck. It just means we are assessing our bills for our paycheck. What are we going to be spending from the paycheck that we're receiving? So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so this paycheck date, we're actually backdating it because I'm going to show you guys how this really works. So this would be May 20, what was that? What day was that? What date was that? What date was that? Whatever I say, y'all got to do. Okay. Sorry. May 28th was the actual pay date. And so we had our paycheck and we're budgeting $24.03. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into what we're actually working with. So we have our mortgage, okay, and that is $905. That is a huge chunk of our stuff there. We have our insurance. And I'm gonna show you what happens with this when it falls like this. But so just wait. I know we're like, oh girl, you finna run out of monies, finna run out of the coins. Okay, $194 for that. This is due on the 1st. This is due on the 5th. Then we have AT&T, which that was due on the 2nd. We have iTunes. One due on the 2nd. All right, I'm moving in. Okay, we have AT&T bundle. Okay, and that bundle is running us about, what did we say, 170. All right, and then iTunes number 1 is $16.93. All right, and then this is where I just go back and check. So another thing you can do on your monthly is just to dot which paycheck is coming out of which. We kind of did that over here, so we just want to make sure we're looking at that. We have mortgage, iTunes, AT&T, car insurance. That's where we are there. And then that also would have been Netflix coming out of this one because we got paid on the 28th. So I'm just going to put this here because we know what it is. And then that was $17. So this was May 28th because that's what's going to cover. And that's why I said, hold on. We got to make sure we show you all the things, right? Okay, so we also have our sinking fund, okay? And we have our cash envelope and, of course, our ties. All right, so we're going to do this. Okay, so this is 308. Sinking funds is 80 and 30 cash envelopes is there. Oh, now why y'all let me write this in the wrong spot? 305 and 308. Now we got to delete. That's all right. These don't have dates. Do we just know from this paycheck we're gonna play with that? All right. So 2 things that are happening here. My cash envelopes have already been filled. I filled them. Okay. Let me start. Let me just back it on up like a U-Haul truck. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add it up and then I'm gonna explain what we're working with here. I think that'll help you guys have a better understanding. If you are struggling with trying to manage your bills with the paydays, I'm going to help you out in this video. So 905 plus 194 plus 170 plus 1693 plus 17 plus 80 plus 305 plus 308. All right, so You see that? We're at $19.95.93. Okay, so we're good. We are good here, but it looks a little cramped up. Okay, like it looks a little tight to me. Looks a little crunchy. I'm used to having, when we say we're gonna have $27.80 left over, and then in this paycheck we're only gonna have, let's do the math. So total expenses is $1995.93. Okay, we're gonna subtract that from $24.03, which is gonna leave us with $407.07. Okay, so this is why I say you have to pay attention to where your bills are coming out of. Because if I didn't do that, then I was just looking at my paycheck and being like, oh, okay, well, now I have this. Oh, wait, did I put Zip? See, I didn't add Zip's car wash in there. Did I put Zip's car wash? Child, I didn't get Zip's car wash, so we got to add that to there too. So we got to go back. Add Zip's car wash. And Zip's car wash is due on the 10th, right? And that is $17. Did I put Netflix like 17? Yeah. I'm gonna just add $17.97 there. All right, so let's clear that out. Okay, so we did $19.95.93 plus $17.97 because I needed to add that. All right, so here we go. So now we're at 2013.9. Okay, we're gonna subtract that from 2403. And that's $389.10. Okay, that's how much we're gonna have left over. Now, what you're needing to be looking at is like, I don't have any extra affiliate income coming in. I don't have anything extra. So this $389 is literally like any emergency that I would have come up, like how I had paid that bill the incorrect. This is what happened. It failed during this paycheck. So that $600 that they took out left me really empty. I felt like, now thank God I had my, my savings account or whatever, but it left me really empty. So there's that. I also had, I stuffed my cash envelopes a while back with some money that I got from some affiliate stuff. So I went ahead and I stuffed it, and then I didn't touch it because I was like, I know there's going to come a time where I need to get ahead. So that was my getting ahead type money. So technically, if this would have fell short, so let's just say something else came up in here, like I needed to use that extra money, I would have my cash envelopes already done right now. So I kind of just been saving that for like a rainy day type thing, but now I can go ahead and start using it again. But my cash envelopes are already stuffed. So just some things to think about when you do get extra money, like what can you pay extra on to help put you in a better situation? My car note, I've done that before. I paid extra on my car note. Some things are about to change here, but we're going to talk about that in the next video. But I wanted to show you guys what my paycheck to paycheck budget looks like and how I organize it to know what's going on in there. Again, make sure you're actually using the date that you got paid for your paycheck and how it flows with the rest of your bills until your next paycheck. That's how you have your paycheck to paycheck budget. What's going to fall within this paycheck that I need to be taking care of? Maybe you're getting your hair done and it's an unexpected expense. You need to make sure that you can afford it during this one, because this does not tell the whole picture. Your monthly tells a big, broad picture, but it does not tell you a doctor's appointment is coming up on this particular day. It just says for the month. So you don't know if it's coming out of your first one or your second one. For instance, like your bills and stuff, however they're arranged, you don't know. Like it says I'm gonna have $27.80 remaining, but over here, this particular paycheck, I only have $300 remaining. So that's stuff that you keep in mind as you're doing it. And as you get more comfortable, you'll see like, oh, okay, I can do this, I can do that. Okay, I can afford to do this, I can't afford to do that. Maybe I need to move this bill over here, do something different. You have all of the options in front of you. Look at your finances, see what's going on, and see how you can adjust, pivot, move, or put it where you need to be. Okay? I believe in you. I truly believe that this is the secret sauce to being able to live your best life. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and as always, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And I will catch you in the next one. Mwah. KK, bye.
You special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you're doing alright.